In this video, we'll look at the different types of cabinet box construction, both framed and frameless, how face frames can be full overlay, traditional overlay, or inset, and how to remove the top or bottom of a cabinet's box. Let's begin by looking at this framed cabinet. When you open up the cabinet specification, there is a panel for box construction. On box construction, there are two types of construction techniques, either framed or frameless. For the framed box construction, you can control the separation value. In this case, it's set to be 3/4 of an inch. And then off to the side, you're going to notice a little wrench with a red check mark. That means this is a default value, so anytime I'm placing a cabinet, it will inherit the default values. Those typically come from either you specifically setting it or from your template plan that was used to begin the project. When a cabinet is framed, there is a left and right style extend amount that you can put in a value, and it will extend the cabinet to one side or another. This is a feature that began with Chief Architect X13. When cabinets are frameless, when I change it to a frameless cabinet, you're going to notice that these items for separation and styles have been grayed out. They will not apply for those cabinets that are frameless. Lower down in the dialog is information for the door and drawer overlay. There is a traditional overlay, and I'll just zoom in just a little bit using the wheel on my mouse. You can see these changes. The traditional overlay, you can control the overlap amount by putting in the value. It can be a full overlay, and again, you can control the reveal amount, or the cabinet can be set up to be inset, and again, you can specify a clearance value for your inset face items. Now, typically the inset option would be used for your framed cabinets, and in this case, your separation value would be controlled for each of those face items at the top for the separation value. Full height cabinets and wall cabinets work in the same fashion. This full height cabinet is a framed box. It's using a full overlay. You can go to the front, sides, and back panel and control some of the information for the side properties for the left and right reveal. We do have a separate video that covers how to handle this for both framed and frameless cabinets. You can refer to that video for additional information. For your wall cabinets and base cabinets, you'll notice in this case I have excluded a bottom area for a coffee station that it would expose the countertop of the base cabinet below. You will find this setting on the box construction panel. There is a category for top and bottom, and in this case you can see that this cabinet has no bottom. Zoom in, you can see it's excluded. If you go to the auto, it will be using the default for this cabinet, and then when you close the dialog, the bottom will then reappear. For more information on framed and frameless cabinets and setting full and traditional overlay as well as inset, please see the program's built-in help as well as our other training videos. And thanks for watching.